Well, the ANC's provincial task team in Gauteng says it supports President Cyril Ramaphosa's decision for a commission of inquiry into the allegations by Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and has dispelled the notion that commissions are a waste of time.
Should South Africans be concerned about the revelation? Yes, they should be concerned. But the concern should not lead to kangaroo court mentality. Because kangaroo court mentality and constitutional democracy don't go together. Everybody wants to have a fair hearing. You can't just make statements, so and so must just be what you can't. Even people at their workplaces, they don't want to be accused and they don't have to have a hearing. If it's like that, we must cancel all laws protecting individual rights of South Africans. But once that has happened, the law must take its course.
Ramaphosa says claims by Mkhwanazi of purported drug labs run by cartels headquartered in Gauteng also need to be investigated.
Remember, Gauteng has been closing some of the drug factories, even before Mkhwanazi has announced. There are a number of factories, so-called factories, which were impounded by the police in Gauteng. If there are more, our view is that they must be closed. Those who are involved in those factories must be arrested, charged, and sentenced to jail. That's our position on whatever factory which is talking about. But you know there have been factories which were closed. Even whatever he has mentioned, if it's there, you're going to provide evidence, that factory must be closed and those who are associated with it must actually be arrested and charged.
Heads to the local government elections next year, and the ANC having suffered a massive decline in the 2021 municipal polls, also concern about the killing of councillors and government officials.
So saying cases of murder in Gauteng, there has to be a sense what's happening with those cases. But we are talking about that this phenomena is which you associate with preparations for elections. We are aware of some of the councillors who would report to their chief whips about that. And municipalities must take proactive actions to create safety for public representatives. Because remember, they become public representatives until after midnight on the day of elections.
SABC News in Johannesburg.